Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Canon MG3650 or 3600 series. I received a question. Someone asked how to install the ink cartridges and also how to load paper. We're going to load A4 paper and 4x6 photo paper. You need to open the ink access door. Once you open the ink access door, the ink holder will move and position itself. It will open up the door and position itself on the right side of the printer. To replace or to install the ink, you need to pull down the ink holder, pull it down to remove each ink cartridges. This printer uses ink PG540. It's black color, and 541 is the colored one. So if you want to install the ink cartridges, just need to go in with the black on the right side. Once you go in, then pull up the ink holder, then do the same thing to the colored one. Colored one goes to the left. Pull it up, then close this and also close the ink access door. Then you wait for the printer to recognize the ink. And also, you need to keep an eye on the light here. If you remove the ink, light will be highlighting. This warning light will be highlighting on this. C is for colored ink, B is for black, and this is a warning light. So let's say if you remove the ink, the light will be highlighting here. So just to show you, open up the ink access door. So remove the ink. Close this cover. Then if you look on the printer, you see a warning light here. You can see there are warning lights. The warning light is highlighting on the colored one and the black, and also this warning light. So what that means is the ink cartridges are not installed, or there's a problem with the ink. So once you install it, the light here will go off. So open the ink access door, pull down, colored one on the left, pull the cover up, black one on the right. Pull the cover up, close the ink access door, then you wait. If you look on the control panel, the light that was flashing here, the light has gone off. Now what I want to do is to show you how to load the paper. So basically, you have the paper select button. If you press this button, it goes to 4x6 photo paper. If you press it again, it goes to A4. So depending on the paper you want to use, so we're going to load A4 paper. So to load paper A4, take decent amount of paper A4. Then you go in. So you go in, then bring this cover down where the paper, when you print out the document, it will rest on top of here. So this is A4 paper. Then adjust it. This is A4. Now, if you want to load 4x6 photo paper, we're going to remove this paper and load 4x6. To load 4x6, you need to make sure the smooth part to face down in this sort of printer. So the print area need to face down. Then also adjust it. So this is 4x6. So the printable area need to face down, and also then bring this down, and on the paper select button, you need to press this for the paper to be 4x6 so that you can print out the photo you want to print. So this is how to install the ink cartridges and also load paper on Canon MG3650 or 3600 series. Thank you very much indeed.